Ocelot researchers Jennifer Korn and Arturo Caso with the Caesar Kleberg Wildlife Research Institute at Texas A&M Kingsville are having a remarkable day on Frank Uturia's ranch just north of Raymondville. They have just captured 2 endangered ocelots in one morning and are hustling to work up and release both cats.
Today was one of our lucky days, probably because you were here.
Are you fired up, Jennifer?
I'm fired up. This is great. 2 in one day is pretty amazing.
Biologists estimate that there are less than 80 endangered ocelots in the thick brush of deep South Texas, and this is the only place they remain in the United States. Dr. Mike Tuis, Regents Professor with the Caesar Kleberg Wildlife Research Institute, has been studying ocelots for some 30 years, and over the decades he and his graduate students have worked extensively on the Uturia Ranch, where rancher Frank Uturia has set aside more than 2,500 acres for the ocelot.
The fact that Mr. Uturia preserved this brush here is the reason I believe that the ocelot is going to continue to survive in Texas.
It's a male, a young male. We are going to feed with a GPS collar, and seems like it's a healthy male.
After fitting the cat with a tracking collar, taking a blood sample, vaccinating, measuring, and weighing, the ocelot is placed in a kennel in the shade until it is ready for release. Next, the process is repeated with a beautiful young female who will hopefully mature and one day have kittens.
The ocelot is like the canary in the mine. It's an indicator of the health of the land, the health of the habitat. If you're able to maintain that brush diversity and have a few ocelots on your property, then you're doing something right.
With your Nature Report, I'm Richard Moore.